Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore groove and how it relates to the music we make. So, what exactly is groove? In simple terms, it's what gives music its rhythmic pulse. It's the thing that makes you want to tap your feet or nod your head, and it's all about timing and feel. From funk to rock, jazz to pop, groove is the backbone of any catchy song. It's what connects the drummer, bassist, and other musicians, creating a nice unified rhythmic feel. Now, let's get a bit scientific. Our brains are wired to respond to rhythm. When we hear a song with a strong groove, certain motor areas in our brain get activated, compelling us to move. That's why we can't help but dance to a groovy beat. But how do musicians create a groove? It's all about playing with timing. By slightly delaying or advancing certain beats, we can make a rhythm more compelling. It's not just about playing in time, it's about playing with time. Do you want to feel the groove yourself? Here's a quick exercise. Tap your foot to this beat. Now, try to sync with the rhythm. Feel how the beat guides your movement? That right there is the groove. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.